My viewers, my subscribers, family subs, welcome back to the development of St. Thomas. Welcome back to another update. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you all doing great, hope you all doing well. Now viewers and subscribers, part today now what a 14 mile. This is the last piece of leg of highway where left to be finished to be open, you know. As you can see, first coat asphalt gone pan it already. As you can see, this is the first coat. So it not open up to the public as yet. But as you can see, first coat upon it, then black it off for sure say it not open up to the public as yet. So what else make you see what go on, viewers and subscribers. Which part we say with there? 14 mile to be exact. All who remember the place here, how the road that it set up, viewers. And if you don't really remember how this place is set up, when you just come over the bump right down there, so. You understand me, I say, viewers? Why I tell you, St. Thomas totally transformed, you know, viewers. Totally transformed in a total different St. Thomas. So this side of the road, and what them did I look for. This is the new side what them did I look for. This side over here so is the old side where we normally drive on. From back in the days and way back coming up. You understand? This is the side where we normally drive on. Well, this is the new side now. I open up to the public. What them, this is the new side where them build, what them add on. You understand me, I say, viewers? So them build this side and add it on so that the motorists can go and use this while them upgrade this one, the old one that we normally use. Get on here, say, viewers. Yeah man, this is a 14 mile of viewers. If you remember this place good enough, we have a container right over there. When you pass the container right over there now. When you come up on the bump, that container always there. Sometimes you see some cylinder or something, you have a cells, gas or something. And if you remember that place of viewers, I try drag back on the memory a little enough so you know exactly where. Because the place is going to look totally different to you know, viewers. And as we see already, I'm going to continue to say it. If you take too long to come to St. Thomas, maybe when you don't come here, you have to put a tracker pound, you know. Yeah. So anyway, this is a brand new piece of road. You know, but this road has been upgraded. As you can see, the first pavement gone and pan it already. So it now open up to the public as yet. Yes, sire. So it's a big up to each and everyone that playing their part by growing this channel, you know, from strength to strength, you know. And what we say, sky is the limit, you know. You know me I talk about viewers. Yeah. Surge Island truck this, you know. Yeah man, I go in. Don't know why it having it for milk or water. The general. I don't know if I milk or water. I see out of the place of viewers. You don't know about that place that does ever have a breeze or a blow. You know, ever have a breeze or blow. I don't know if you not hear me still of yours, a breeze or blow. So just hopefully you not hear me. Loud and clear. You get what I say? So we say, we bring it to you know, viewers, make you see what going on, you know, because you know, we have to give you an update when things do happen. You understand? Yeah man, make you see what going on at the development of St. Thomas. Say continue. How much part to say with there? 14 mile. The place look good, we can smile. So as you can make you see how the operation of the vehicle operate. So then switch from one lane to the next lane. So viewers, as we say, for the new one that come in St. Thomas, you have to brace for yourself then something enough. So more it a diversion, vehicle switching from one lane to the other lane. And all them something there. You get what I say? As you can see the switch, I switch over in the next lane enough viewers. You see it? Yeah, so Because years to know what Mars yet. So 2 years to know what Mars yet. We have to switch when I'm reach here, so. So the stick and stay, you know. Cha-cha. That's a pipe over there, so viewers are the more put in. Some 6-inch pipe over there. And them also are building water drain. Jaja, some of you as my subscribers, family sub, let's take take a stroll pan it. Make we all take a stroll pan it, make you see it. It's not really complete as yet. Yeah, and it not really go too far as you know I go see, so just continue watch the video and we are go also go up on the next piece of road what open to the public. Okay, viewers, as you know all can see right here say it finish. So them have the whole of here, so a mall already and set up already for complete. Okay, viewers, so just stick and stay. We have a next piece of road where we'll go up on for sure, no? And we're going to show no a piece of road also we're no longer in existence. Whether say condemn or them block it off or then lock it off. So in order to see that, just stick and stay. Okay, viewers, bless up on yourself. Toss. Jesus, Jaja. So my viewers and my subscribers, as you can see them block off that road. So that road is no longer used. If you want to use it, you're on your own risk. Viewers and subscribers, as you can see them block it off. So this is the road that motorists we are using now, okay viewers? For now, this is the road that we are using now. So them block off that. Yes, my viewers and my subscribers, for now this is the road that we are using now. This road now has been open so the public can go and use it. So let us give you a drive through upon it, make you see what it's all about. Ask me how it feel. Wonderful, man. Feel like you can go as much as you can. Level and nice, but you know it. One thing, viewers. Next thing I want to say to you, so that truck barely move because it's a hill, so I go down a hill. So from the road develop, we get a lot of hill. We don't know, but we get a lot of hill now. Before this we used to have more level, but now we have a lot of hill, so let's get up the motorist and just get up on a machine up in gear. I'm going to climb a whole heap of hill. When you not leave out of St. Thomas. When you're not coming into St. Thomas, you have a lot of hill for go down. So this become a one way now, until I'm finish over there, so. Then I'm walking it up and it will turn a 2 way. That's what I say. But this road now is, everybody has travel upon it back and front from over here, so. So not because the road is there, not the same as just leg of vehicle while I'm full, you know. Take precaution. Everything that you can do. Try your best. So that truck man in the middle of the road. Why am I in the middle of the road? Jesus.
Yes, my viewers and my subscribers, we bring it to you to make you see that the development of Center must continue. So we say now that to come to the end of another video, and if you're new and subscribe to my channel, welcome to my channel. If you leave a like, thank you very much for leaving a like. If you leave a comment, yes, get active down in the comment section. You watch out to answer me, thank you very much for doing so. So we say now that to come to the end of another video, see you people in the next video, safe travel upon the gravel, I'm out.